clients who come to our firm, they've picked us out of hundreds of thousands of lawyers, so we owe it to them to be the best of the best. So we better be competitive and better be in a position to win every case we walk into a courtroom with. It's pride in your abilities, I think, that brings out the best in people. You know, my dad used to give me a hard time that we had practice as 10-year-olds on the baseball diamond, and he'd say to me, you know, not every practice has to be like the 7th game of the World Series. That made no sense to me. If you're gonna play hard, and if you're gonna work hard.
I spent over a decade as a homicide prosecutor and realized how much I wanted to help people. The Jaklitsch Law Group has a reputation as being one of the best trial law firms. And to me, it was really important that I was still able to be in the courtroom, that I was able to represent my clients from the beginning of a case all the way through a verdict.
When a client's injured and they come to a law firm, that decision is such a personal decision. I'm honored to be able to be chosen to represent clients in their times of need. And the biggest thing we want every client to feel is that they're part of the family. We want them to feel the dedication to each individual case, more so than a bigger firm can provide.
My husband was walking home from work and he was hit by a delivery driver and killed. I just thought about what my children would do. What are they going to do without their father? I figured we needed to hire an attorney after no one contacted me about anything. And I just felt like justice needed to be served. My father-in-law found the Jaklitsch Law Group, and coming in the door, Christine was very welcoming. So I knew that we had the right law firm.
I was in a wheelchair from the time of the accident for probably close to 4 months. A girl that I knew, when she came over, she said, "Gary, we have to get a lawyer." And she said, "I know just the guy." It was Rick.
I feel like Rick has become part of the family. He was confident, and he helped to make us confident about everything that we were about to go through. It was really a pleasure to watch him work.
If anybody was in my situation, I would definitely tell them to use Jaklitsch Law Group.
When you've been hurt, you want somebody that is going to fight with you every single step of the way. That's the Jaklitsch Law Group.
My goal was to be the best of the best, to have our name on everyone's lips when it comes time to find somebody that needs help on a catastrophic injury. That's our goal, the best of the best.
We have that personal touch in every single case, and I think every client or every person who hires us feels that, and that the results reflect that at the end of the case.
Every client who walks in this door is going to get the top level of service from the top right on down. Jaklitsch Law Group, big dogs from a small firm. We got that name for a reason, and we live up to it every day.